What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy working and checking in with another one. Right here, guys, is a 2019 Alfa Romeo. 2019 Alfa Romeo. I'm going to show you guys how to take off this fender. Once again, keep in mind, in order to take off this fender, you'll have to take off the front bumper and the headlamp. The reason why the front bumper and the headlamp is not on the vehicle, that's because that process is on my other channel. I got two channels, okay? I will leave the link in the description below. By the way, y'all go over there onto that channel and please show your support, okay? It's called Car Bumper and Door Trim Panel Remove. Car Bumper and Door Trim Panel Remove. As a matter of fact, guys, don't worry, I will link that video along with this video on this channel. But anyway, I still want you to go over there and show your love by subscribing to the channel, all right? So I will link this video along with this video. Now, I will show you guys the points first, where all the nuts, bolts, and screws is at, and I will show you how to do the work yourself. All right, so therefore, guys, let's get to work. Guys, on this car right here, the rocker panel, in order to get off the fender, the rocker panel, the rocker molding will have to move the rocker molding, and I will show you why, because there is screws on the arm neat there. We got to move the molding out the way. All right, anyways, guys, that's enough chit chatting. Let's get to work. Welcome, my people. Well, welcome to this channel. Right, we've got a 2019 Alfa Romeo. 2019 Alfa Romeo. I'm going to show you guys how to take off this here front bumper, the headlamp, and the fender. But the bumper and the headlamp would be on on a separate channel, because I got two channels. I will leave the link in the box in the description below for both channels. All right, well, this is a 2019 Alfa Romeo. I'm going to show you guys how to take off this here front bumper. All right, I will show you guys the points first, then I will show you guys the work. That's it, guys. Let's get to work. Over here, guys, on the right side, let me get down here. All right, we're gonna start with this, guys. We're gonna take the screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna turn them to the left, all of them. Every screw, bolt, and nut that you take from off this vehicle, we're gonna turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, those are started, guys. 5 points. This is what they looks like, okay? Started 5 points. This is what they look like. All right. By the way, this one is the number 20. See that? T20, guys. All right. T20. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna do the same thing for the opposite side. Same thing. Let's go take a look. Remember, I'm showing you guys the points first, and where all the nuts are and the bolts, and then we're gonna do the work. Over here on this side, see, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those from there. Now we're gonna see what the bottom section looks like. All right, guys, now we are up underneath the bottom of the vehicle. These screws, guys, we're going to take these screws out. Okay, for these in the bottom, guys, the number changes. The number changes. This is a T30s. Same things. A started 5 point. The T30 is a number 30. Okay, so we're going to take 1, 2, 3. Walk with me. Come on, walk with me. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take all these screws out of here, guys. Take them out. 6, 7, yeah, 1, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Let me start over, guys. I'm tripping. Let me start over. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 of them, guys. 9 screws. Take the 9 screws from there from the bottom up here in the top. In the top section over here, we're gonna take this clip from right there. See the groove right there? Go between the groove, pop it out, okay? It comes out. Alright? Comes out. You can use a flathead or a clip tool. Get yourself a clip tool, okay? Go like this, pop it out. Bam, just like that. It comes out. See that? It comes out. Then these, gonna take these from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that clip. By the way, this one, the T55. It's a T55, guys. Once you guys get that clip from there, and these over here, you see the groove over here, guys? You see? Hold on, let me get my light. When it's time to take off the bumper, get like a hook or something, a hook or a skinny flathead screwdriver. You see this lip right here, the lip of the bumper. You're gonna pry it away. You're gonna pry the lip away, just like that, and then pull this edge up. You're gonna pull on it. You're gonna pull on it with your left hand and pry away at the lip with your other hand, and this thing jumps out. You're gonna do the same thing for the opposite side. Those are the points, guys. Now stay tuned and watch the work. One. All right, now once you get all these screws from there, guys, go ahead. All right, you're gonna push this liner from out your way, guys. Okay. Push it out your way. We're gonna take that screw from right there, guys. One of them. It's right there. You can't miss it. And take a look. Over here. Guys, see that screw right there? You're gonna take that screw from right there, guys. Remember, it's the same thing for the opposite side, okay? Guys, there you go, right there. Then you're gonna hold the edge of the bumper and pull it away, guys. Yeah, see that? We all clear, comes right off. We're gonna do the same thing for the left side. Let's go over there. Man, see that? Comes right off, all right? Comes off. I done showed you what you need to do. Handle business, baby. Handle business. All right. With that said, guys, hit that like, bang that subscribe, support the channel. There's a cash app in the link below. If you guys wanna support the channel, hit that cash app, support the channel, guys. Least you can do. Let me tell you a secret. Come here. You come here. Don't be selfish. I just helped you out, right? Exactly. Least you could do. Support the channel. Yeah. Support the channel. All right, with that said, it's your boy Working One checking out. I'll see you next video, baby. Bam! See guys, go ahead and push it out your way, guys. Push it out your way. Screws right there. Right there. Hold the bumper right here. Pull it out. Just like that. Alright, that was free. Now go to the bottom section, guys. To the bottom. Let's go to the bottom. It's supposed to be a 10 screw that goes right there, but it's not there, so therefore it's just none of them. Alright guys, see that? This thing is pretty loose. See that guys? Good to go. Alright guys, I'm going to take the screws from the top and the clip, and then it's time to take out this bad boy. How big these screws are? Big. Got my flathead screwdriver, guys. I'm gonna pull up on the bumper and pry the edge out, as I show you guys at the beginning of the video. Just like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See that? Comes out. And same for that side. See that? Bam. Gonna pick this one up, pull it out. Now it's time to take off the bumper. Gonna hold it and go up with it and take it off. Bam, guys. See that? Pretty easy, eh? I must say, inside of it, pretty easy. Alfa Romeo bumper, front bumper, remove it, baby. Right like that. Thumbnail. Get it. just took off the bumper. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the headlamp. I'll show you guys the points first, and I will show you guys the work. Let's take a look. All right, here we go, guys. Over here, we'll start over here, guys. We're gonna take that clip out of there. Go like this, pry it up, and take that clip out. And you're gonna use the clip mover. See that? Bam. It comes out. Take it out. You're gonna take the screw from right there. That's a 10 millimeter. Take that from there. Come down here on this side. See the black one? With the black screw from right there. Down here, that one. You're gonna take that one from there, and the light is ready to be taken out. Once you guys go to take out the light, that's the harness for it. You gotta take off the harness. Gotta push this back and take the harness off, okay? But first thing first, let's take off the light first. Let's get back to the watching, baby. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this harness loose. Come talk to me. All right, guys. Once you guys got all the screws out and the light set back, this right here, this is the harness. See this silver thing right here? We're gonna push this back, right here. Push it back, just like that, and then come down here, pull it out. See that? Pretty simple. When you guys go to put it back, like this, and push it down and lock it. See that? Lock. Push it back, open. That's how you do that, all right? All right, guys. That's how you do that. It's pretty simple and easy. All right, take care of it, guys. All right. All right, guys. Here goes the points. We're gonna start down here. Go ahead and take them 2 screws from right there, guys. Those are 10 millimeters. Take them 2 screws from there, okay? Yeah, it's 2 of them. 1, 2. Then we're gonna come up here. Take that one from right there. Come down the line. There's another one right there. So come over here, guys. You need a flathead or a clip tool. Put it right between the groove right here. Pull this thing back. Pull this thing back. Be careful you do not hit the glass edge, because you will crack this glass. Don't hit the glass edge, okay? Put it back aside. Take that one from right there, it's hidden. Come over here. Pull this back. Take that one from right there. See it? It's right there. Come down here. You see here, guys? You see this piece right here? That means it's nuts on the it's nuts up on the inside of here. On the inside, so therefore, we're gonna come this way, down here. Come down here, and we get this light. Let me get this light, guys. Hold on. There you go. Go ahead and get that clip from there. Take that clip from there. Okay. Then this piece gonna push this back. Push this back out your way. Okay, put this way. Okay. Alright. Now, up in here. You see this black piece right here? See that black piece right there? We're gonna grab it and pull it out of there, okay? So therefore use a tool or something. We're gonna go down here in the bottom. I know it's dark and you can't see. Sorry about that. Let's try something. hope that helps, guys. All right, see right here? Pull this bad boy out. Pull it out, just like that, and then you're gonna go in there and grab it. Go in there and grab it. Go in there and grab it. And pull it out, okay? So you're gonna grab it. There is a pin that's in the middle, guys. Don't worry about that pin. It's gonna pop out. Once you guys see that, right there, it pops out. You know why? Because you put on this thing. You put on this, go ahead and take it out. Pull it all the way out. See that? It comes out. This is the pin that comes off with it. It goes in the middle, right there, okay? All right, now, over here now. Bam, you see? You see them two nuts? Take them two nuts from there. Two of them. 1, 2. All right, now, this is the hard part now. This is the hard part. You gotta move this piece out of the way. Why? Because you see those two screws? We gotta get those from underneath. 1, 2. We gotta get them from up underneath here. So which means we gotta move this out the way. So therefore we're gonna come down here. We'll come down here, guys. We'll take this clip from here. Go and take this clip from here. Okay. Take that clip from there. Move that one from right there. Come down. Take that clip from there. Move that one from right there. Come down here. Take that clip from there. Move that one from right there. And then we're gonna pull this piece back and take them screws from up on the knee there, guys. Those are the points. Now please stay tuned and watch the work, all right?
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. That one from right there, that one, and the two that goes on the top, and two's on the side. They're loose. Now we're gonna work. We're gonna work our way in the bottom.
Do whatever he says, guys.
All right, now we're gonna take the two from inside there. There's two of them up inside there. Get your extension. That's one. That's two. Now we're going to take this piece loose. All right then, guys, they're gonna grab this. See that? Now, that's good enough, guys. That's good enough. All right, we're just gonna partial. We're gonna partial remove this thing. We're not gonna take it out completely. Now it's time to snap this thing out. Okay, guys. After you guys take these from the bottom section, up in here, guys, up in here. See the screw right there? Take that screw from there first. You have to move that screw from there. Then we're gonna grab this piece and pull this piece off, and then we're gonna go up on the neatest thing and take the two screws from here. One over here and one right here. But we're gonna take that screw from there first. That one. Comes out. Just grab this thing. See that? Pull it out. Comes out. That's it. Now we can hold it like this, guys. We can hold it like this and go up on the underneath it and take them two screws from there. I'm gonna show you guys those two screws. Alright, see guys, now I'm gonna move this out the way. See that? Bam. Let's take a look. Bear with me. See the screw? I'll show you. There's one right here. See it? One right here. One right here, and there's one up underneath here, guys. There's one right up underneath here. Let me show you. You see it? It's up there. Bam. It's up underneath here. See this piece right here? This piece right here. This piece. This piece is up underneath here, guys. Right up there. See? Right there. Bam. Going to take them two from there, okay? Back to work. That's one. That's two. See that? Comes right up. See that, guys? Just like that. Them two screws goes right here. One, two, up underneath. All right, guys. Just follow the instructions. Just follow the instruction, guys, and the Bible will come right out. Alright? Thumbnail. So we do that, alright? Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. We're getting ready to take that door apart, which is the mirror, the handle, and the trim panel. All right, and that will be on my other channel, which is car, bumper, and door trim panel removed. The link is in the description below. Please go over there and support that channel, guys. Support that channel. With that said, please hit that like, and subscribe. My Cash App is Gorilla. Okay, guys, it's Gully Gorilla. Hit the Cash App, please support the channel. I will see you guys on the next video, baby. Working and checking out. Bam!